Me I go show no Mark Gold, you no care about you. Oh no idiot. You caution whether make a man plug you just because you want to be on the same team. You don't make a man plug you just because you not say the same thing. I want to support the same team. Let me show you what I support and I get plugged for. Let me show you what I bend over for. Rubio, Mark Rubio, is one of the most important person, in my opinion, in a Donald Trump administration. One of the most important persons. At a time when the US is putting tariff, blocking people from coming to the United States or going to the United States, removing any form of grants, yeah? And we have somebody where around the country, America, where in head hot, he will just get up tomorrow and just say, yeah,